about the gametogenesis. Yes, gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the combination of two words. One is the gamete and another one is the genesis. Here genesis means the origin or mode of formation. Okay, it is the genesis means origin or the mode of formation of something. Gametogenesis is the process of formation of male and female gametes. Okay, gametogenesis is the process of formation of male and female gamete, that is the sperm and the ova or the ovum. Okay, it is the process of formation of male gamete, that is the sperm, and the female gamete, that is the ovum. Okay, it is the process of formation of the gametes. The gametogenesis involves two processes, that is the spermatogenesis. Second one is the oogenesis. Okay, the gametogenesis includes two processes, that is the male gamete formation, that is spermatogenesis, and the second one is the female gamete formation, that is the oogenesis. Okay. Okay, let's study about the first process, that is spermatogenesis. Okay, this spermatogenesis also includes the two words, that is spermato and the genesis. Here spermato means the sperm, genesis in the sense production or the formation. It is the process of, it can be defined as, it is the process of formation of haploid spermatozoa from diploid spermatogonia. Spermatogenesis can be defined as the process of formation of haploid spermatozoa from the diploid spermatogonia. This process, the process of spermatogenesis, takes place in the seminiferous tubules. Okay, it takes place in the seminiferous tubules of the testes. Okay, let's study this process. The spermatogenesis, is divided into two processes, two stages. That is, one is the formation of spermatids. Next one is the spermiogenesis. Okay, the process of spermatogenesis is divided into two stages. That is, first one will be the formation of spermatids. Second one is the spermiogenesis. Let's just study the stages one by one. Start. Let's study the first stage in the spermatogenesis, that is the formation of spermatids. Okay, as we already know, this process, that is the spermatogenesis, takes place in the seminiferous tubules. Okay, you might already seen the seminiferous tubules. These are the seminiferous tubules. Okay, here will be the connective tissue. I hope you already learned the cross section of testis. Okay, this will be the connective tissue. These will be the seminiferous tubules. There will be a Leydig cells. Okay, there will be a Leydig cells which are present in the connective tissue in between the seminiferous tubules. Okay, these are the Leydig cells. And here will be the seminiferous tubules. Okay, these will be the seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules will be lined with cells. These cells are known as the germ cells. Okay, these are the germinal epithelial cells. These are the germinal epithelial cells or the germ cells. Okay, this is the basic idea we are having. Okay, let us study about the formation of spermatids. Here, the germ cells or the germinal epithelial cells which undergo the process of spermatogenesis, okay, which develops into a spermatids, are known as the primordial germ cells. Primordial germ cells. Okay. The germ cells which undergo the formation of, which develops into the formation of spermatids, those cells are known as the primordial germ cells. Okay, these primordial germ cells which undergo the process of spermatids or the spermatogenesis, having the 3 phases. Okay, these primordial germ cells undergo the 3 phases. That is, first one will be the multiplication phase. Multiplication phase. Second will be the growth phase. Third one will be the maturation phase. Okay. The germinal epithelial cells which develops into a spermatids, those cells are known as the primordial germ cells. These primordial germ cells undergo the 3 phases, that is the multiplication phase, the growth phase and the maturation phase. Let us study these 3 phases. Okay, the primordial germ cells which undergo the process of spermatogenesis will divide mitotically and repeatedly to form a large number of spermatogonia. Okay, the primordial germ cells which are undergoing the process of spermatogenesis will divide mitotically and repeatedly to form large number of spermatogonia. The resulting cells are known as the spermatogonia. These cells are known as the type A cells and these cells are known as the type B cells. Okay, these are known as the type A cells and these are known as the type B cells. Here the type B cells continues the process of spermatogenesis, whereas the type A cells divide mitotically again to retain their number. Okay, the resulting cells of this mitosis is known as the spermatogonia. Okay, this phase is known as the multiplication phase. Okay, the spermatogonia enters into the next phase, that is the growth phase. Here this spermatogonia becomes larger in size, increases in size by deriving the nutrition. Okay, by deriving the nutrition from the cytoplasm. These cells are known as the primary spermatocytes. Primary spermatocytes. Okay, in the growth phase there will be no division. These cells will increases in their size by deriving the nutrition from the cytoplasm. The resulting cell is known as the primary spermatocyte. This occurs in the growth phase. Okay. This primary spermatocytes undergo next phase, that is the maturation phase. Okay, this undergo the next phase, that is the maturation phase. Here the primary spermatocytes undergo the meiotic division. Okay, here they undergo the meiotic division. Meiosis, you might have know the definition of meiosis. Meiosis is the reductional division where 2n number is reduced to half number, that is n number of chromosomes are present in the next phase. Okay, these resulting cells are known as the secondary spermatocytes. These are known as the secondary spermatocytes. Okay, here the primary spermatocytes undergo the meiotic division. The first meiotic division is the reduction division where 2n number is converted into n number of chromosomes. Okay, these resulting cells are known as the secondary spermatocytes. Okay, these secondary spermatocytes undergoes the second meiotic division. Okay, the second meiotic division is same as that of the mitosis. It is also known as the equational division. Second meiotic division is the equational division. It is same as that of the mitosis. Okay. Here the resulting cells are known as the spermatids. Okay, the resulting cells are known as the spermatids. Hence, during the maturation phase of spermatogenesis, each diploid primary spermatocytes gives rise into 4 haploid spermatids. Okay, gives rise into 4 haploid spermatids. Let's glance it again. Okay, the spermatogenesis includes these 2 stages, that is the formation of spermatids, and another one will be the spermiogenesis. Okay, this formation of spermatids includes 3 phases, that is multiplication phase, the growth phase, and the maturation phase. The primordial germ cells which enter into the process of spermatogenesis undergo mitosis. Okay, mitosis to form large number of spermatogonia. Okay, these spermatogonia enters into the next phase, that will be the growth phase. Here in growth phase they extract the nutrition from the cytoplasm and increases in the size. The resulting cells are known as the primary spermatocytes. Okay, these primary spermatocytes undergo the next phase, that is the maturation phase. Here the primary spermatocytes undergo the meiotic division. This will be the first meiotic division. The first meiotic division is the reduction division where 2n number of chromosomes is converted into n number of chromosomes. Okay, here the resulting cells are known as the secondary spermatocytes. Okay, these secondary spermatocytes undergo the next phase, that is undergo the second meiotic division to form the spermatids. the resulting spermatids are haploid in nature, and these are non-functional, This is all about the formation of spermatids. Let us study the next process, that is the spermiogenesis. Here, the spermatids, though they are haploid, but they are not capable of functioning as a male gamete. To become a functional spermatozoa, they undergo the process of spermiogenesis. These will be the non-functional. To become functional spermatozoa, they undergo the process of spermatogenesis. Here, the spermatid undergoes the process of differentiation. Okay, the following changes takes place. The nucleus gradually decreases in size. Here, the nucleus gradually decreases in size. Nucleus decreases in size. The chromosomes become packed. As the nucleus decreases in the size, ultimately the chromosomes becomes compact or the packed. Gradually this nucleus becomes elongated. Okay, gradually the nucleus become elongated. And unite with a Golgi bodies to form the acrosome. Okay. The nucleus and acrosome together constitute the head part. Okay, the nucleus and the acrosome together constitute the head part. Okay, head part. Okay, the digital centriole arises elongated thread-like structure, axial filament, which forms the tail. Okay, this will be the tail part. Okay, the series of mitochondria are spirally twisted along the proximal part. Okay, this constitute the middle piece. Okay, the cytoplasm forms the thin covering around the nucleus, around the head, middle part and the tail. Okay, the cytoplasm covers the thin covering over the head, middle piece and the tail. As a result, a spherical shaped haploid non-functional spermatids changes into slender, elongated, flagellated, motile functional spermatozoa by the process of spermiogenesis. Hence, during the process of spermatogenesis, there will be a formation of 4 functional spermatozoa produced from each spermatogonia. From each spermatogonia, there arises the 4 functional spermatozoa at the end of the spermatogenesis.